Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
$1,000 for the young man accused of shooting an 11-year-old during a road rage incident in the South Sound. Thank you for joining us. I'm Monique Minglavin.
And I'm Aaron Wright. The suspect in this case, only 19 years old. On Black Friday, he's accused of firing shots into a car on I-5 near the Tacoma Mall. In the process, a young boy was hit and badly hurt. KIRO 7's Ryan Sims is live at the Pierce County Courthouse tonight. Ryan, November is shaping up to be a truly violent month on our roads.
Yes, unfortunately, the proof is in the numbers. Today's court appearance here in Tacoma happened just a few weeks after a 9-year-old boy was badly hurt in a road rage incident down in Renton. And tonight, troopers tell us that they do believe these road rage cases are becoming more violent and more common. According to court papers, Jadan Maurice Davis-Gunn has already been arrested more than a dozen times.
This court does find that there is probable cause.
Prosecutors have not yet said what led up to the shooting.
We are learning more details about what happened in an alleged road rage shooting that seriously hurt an 11-year-old boy in Tacoma. The suspect was in court today. Road rage incidents are on the rise in Western Washington.
Just this month, 2 children were sent to the hospital in 2 separate shootings. King 5's Kristen Goodwillie is at the Pierce County Courthouse with the latest.
The suspect in that road rage shooting is 19-year-old Jadan Davis-Gunn, and today he pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of first-degree assault and 1 count of unlawful possession of a firearm. And today, for the first time, we're learning what led up to that shooting.
A lot of the times, these situations happen within a few seconds.
An 11-year-old was shot during a brief road rage incident when a Honda CR-V merged onto I-5 in Tacoma. According to court documents, 19-year-old Jadan Davis-Gunn, who was driving a Chevrolet Cruze, tried to prevent the Honda from merging. When the Honda merged, Davis-Gunn allegedly pulled up to their passenger side and began shooting with a semi-automatic handgun.
It's even harder for us sometimes to respond to a situation where a little child or a young child is involved.
The 11-year-old sitting in the back seat and only named by his initials, AC, was hit in his right arm and abdomen, a bullet lodging in his liver. The boy was driven to this fire station and then taken to Marybridge Hospital for surgery.
They didn't do anything. They were just sitting in the back seat and minding their own business.
AC is the second child to be shot in a road rage incident this month. These 2 cases speaking to a larger trend Washington State Patrol is seeing.
Where our detectives are out there a lot now to investigate shooting incidents that occur on our freeways and state routes.
Yes, it's spelled correctly, Your Honor.
Davis-Gunn pleaded not guilty in court today to 3 counts of first-degree assault and unlawful possession of a weapon.
So this court's going to set bail at $750,000.
In court, Pierce County Prosecutor Afton Gregson said law enforcement never recovered the gun from this shooting.
A man accused of shooting an 11-year-old boy during a road rage incident in Tacoma in 2022 has been sentenced to more than 11 years in prison. 21-year-old Jadan Davis-Gunn will have to serve at least 2 years of the sentence before he can be considered for parole. Court documents show that Davis-Gunn pulled up alongside the car, rolled down his window, and fired several shots into the car with a semi-automatic handgun. That 11-year-old was hit once. He survived. He has since recovered.